Hello everyone, welcome back to the art and craft session. Hope you are all doing fine. So today we are going to do a craft work using earbuds. I know most of you will have earbuds at home. So I'm going to make some flowers using these earbuds. So I'll tell you what are the materials there. So the materials needed are earbuds. I have cut one earbud into two. See, one long earbud into two halves. Then with a painting brush, acrylic paint. I have taken dark and light green. Any one color also is one shade also is fine. And I have made some circles using red chart paper or craft paper. It's up to you. You can use yellow or light orange, the middle portion of the flowers. So I have taken red. Four I have taken. For one flower, we need two circles and Fevicol. So these are materials needed. Okay, shall we start? What you have to do is first take this red dot, apply some Fevicol on it. A very simple activity. And ask the child to stick it on the paper. Okay, and then you can apply Fevicol all over the circle. Wait 2 seconds. So once a little, if it dies, then it will easily stick. This bud will easily stick. So now give him one bud, ask him to keep it like this. Okay, these are the petals. These are the petals of the flower. So show him how to keep. Like this. First two you can keep and then let him keep slowly. A bit of adjusting you can do. You can keep it very close or little apart like how I'm doing now. And please let them keep it. And ask them to press gently. See, from the center towards outside, like a sun rays. You can tell them it's like sun rays. See, one flower is done. So simple. And then what you have to do is the other part, the other circle, apply Fevicol in the similar manner, like this, and then put it over this. Okay, so both sides, the earbuds will be held together, so they won't fall out at all. Gently let him press like this. So that's one flower is done. So easy. Similarly, one more. You can do it a little bigger or smaller. If this is bigger and if you have many earbuds, you can make a big flower. If this is small, you will have to keep few earbuds only. So that is up to you. So I have made almost same size. Similarly, again apply Fevicol all over. And then let him keep the earbuds from the center towards outside. They will have to use both the fingers. If they are finding it tough, you can help. Say want to hold the ear and another finger to just stick it or this. I'm sure they can do it. With a little practice, they can do. If you keep it close, I mean you get a flower with close petals, more petals. It is done. And now the other circle. Just keep over that. So now the earbuds are firmly on the paper. None of them will fall out. So two flowers are done. Now our kids just paint the stem and the stalk and the leaf part. Either you can cut green, if you have green craft paper, you can cut leaves and stalk and just stick it. But I thought I paint is here. So whichever you can do, you have just painting. Okay. Maybe I should use a darker shade. Or just make leaf. Just paint the leaves. So that's it. If you have your color, you can give shade. So much you can do. Once you start doing, you will get all sorts of creativity. Use your imagination and just make it look more attractive. That's all. So that's it. Our flower is done. So this is the final flower. Flowers using earbuds. Very simple activity. You can also paint bushes. This is just a bunch of flowers. You do lots of bushes here, I mean leaves here, and then small flowers over there. That way also you can do. So this is the final craft. We all loved it. See you next week. Bye.